Hi, it's Chef Archie Pie here. I'm making an omelette today. I'm going to stuff it with sliced buttered mushrooms and fresh herbs. Okay, let's get cracking, shall we? So I've got 3 eggs beaten up and I've got my basil, parsley and chive. In my pan I've got a teaspoon of butter and olive oil. Let's mix those herbs in. I've also seasoned my eggs with salt and pepper. Looks like I spilt a bit of egg rather in the pan. Goodness me, I'm so clumsy today. Okay, in the pan go the eggs with the herbs. Now, I'm going to move the egg around constantly while it's over the heat. And the heat is a medium heat. As we move the egg around, the egg will set. All the time, the liquid content is reducing, the solid content is forming. All the time. I'm shaking my pan to make sure the egg is moved around. And eventually we'll have a lovely blanket of golden egg with the herbs, beautiful fresh green herbs. There we are. It's still a little bit moist, but that's fine. It's still cooking, don't forget. Your flame at this stage needs to be on a very low temperature. I'm now going to add my pre-cooked buttered sliced mushrooms. I do believe there's a little bit of green onion in there too. Pop those in. Don't forget the flame is still low. So now we're going to switch the flame off and we're going to attempt to turn our omelette. We're going to form our half moon shape nice and gently. Nice and gently, and please take your time or else the omelette will crack. We want to turn this onto a plate into a perfect half moon shape, and it slightly took a little bit of colour on the omelette, but that's fine. It's not too much colour. Okay, let's turn it out onto the plate now. And it looks, I'm really pleased with that. It looks really good. I'm really happy with that, actually. Nothing wrong with trying to tidy things up. A lot of chefs will use a tea towel. They'll pop a tea towel over it and tidy it up now to try and maintain some sort of beautiful shape in order to present the omelette. But I've used my spatula and I'm very, very pleased with that. It's almost perfect, and as I said, in the middle that will be cooked. So this is a stuffed omelette, by the way. There are other ways you can mix the mushrooms into the egg. I want to stuff it today, and there it is in all its glory. I've garnished it with a little bit of parmesan and some chopped herbs, and I'm serving it with a salad, and that is my dinner today, folks. Listen, thanks for tuning in again. I'm so grateful to everybody. If you don't mind subscribing, sharing or liking, or even pressing the notification button, I'd be very, very grateful. This is Chef Archie Pie sending everybody my love. Best wishes to everyone, and do take care of yourselves. It's great to see you. I'm so grateful for everyone tuning in. Listen, take care. See you soon. Goodbye.